Artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and in 2025, we're witnessing the rise of the most powerful AI model yet. It's smarter, faster, and more capable than anything before it. But what makes this AI so revolutionary? How does it work, and what does it mean for the future? Let's break it down. At the heart of this breakthrough is artificial general intelligence, AGI, a form of AI that can think, reason, and solve problems across different domains, much like a human. Unlike past AI models, which were designed for specific tasks, this new AI can adapt, learn on its own, and even develop original ideas. Major tech companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, and xAI have been racing to create an AI that doesn't just respond to input, but truly understands context, logic, and emotions. One of the biggest upgrades in this AI is its unprecedented processing power. It can analyze massive datasets in real time, recognize complex patterns, and generate insights that would take humans years to uncover. Thanks to next-generation quantum computing and advanced neural networks, this AI can process trillions of parameters per second, making it the most efficient model ever developed. But it's not just about speed. This AI is designed to think more like a human than ever before. Through reinforcement learning and memory retention, it can remember past interactions, learn from mistakes, and improve its responses over time. That means it doesn't just retrieve information, it connects the dots, makes predictions, and refines its own thinking process. Another game-changing feature is its ability to generate human-like responses with emotional intelligence. Older AI models could generate text and images, but they lacked a true understanding of tone, sarcasm, and deep contextual meaning. This AI, however, can engage in complex conversations, detect emotional cues, and even create content that feels indistinguishable from human work. Whether it's writing articles, coding software, or making business decisions, this model is proving to be a game changer across industries. So, what does this mean for the future? With AI this powerful, we're stepping into a world where machines can work alongside humans in a meaningful way. Businesses can automate decision-making, researchers can accelerate scientific breakthroughs, and individuals can use AI as a personal assistant for creativity, learning, and productivity. However, with great power comes responsibility. Experts warn that such a powerful AI must be monitored carefully to ensure it's used ethically. The ability for AI to make autonomous decisions raises concerns about bias, misinformation, and job displacement. That's why governments and tech leaders are now focused on regulating AI development to ensure it benefits humanity without causing harm. In 2025, we're seeing the closest thing to real artificial intelligence, a system that doesn't just follow instructions but actually thinks, learns, and creates. The question is no longer if AI will change the world, but how we choose to harness its potential.